Good morning. Today we're going on a steelhead fishing adventure on Sandy River on a drift boat. Barry's not here, but we're with the Sandy River Guide Service. Barry's parking his truck and we're just waiting for him to get started. It's about 7:30 in the morning. Beautiful weather. And here comes Barry.
See any fish rolling or jumping yet?
A couple.
Oh, nice.
The harsh truth. What it is. It's a yellow one.
Oh, damn.
Oh, we gotta kill this one.
Yeah, really.
This is the minnow, right?
Careful it doesn't fly back.
Pike minnow. What should I do?
Bring it in and take the pliers and get it off there. Make sure that spinner doesn't shoot back in your eyes.
Do we kill it?
Don't break the tip. If you want, I don't care.
Pike minnow?
It's a sucker.
Oh, okay then. Do they eat?
Help them. Yeah. Don't overload the tip. And we gotta get out of this guy's way. Just grab the string of the line.
Just move back down.
There you go. Oh, yeah, good. Good. Let's get out of this guy's way. Yeah, right up.
Terwilliger. No, not that.
BCC Rockaway or whatever.
Close. Yeah, that's capital. Yeah, close. Close, yeah.
Oh, what's up with my bobber?
No, Rockaway is way east. That's 86, 26.
Set it up, set it up, reel, set it. Reel. Keep reeling. Oh, yours down to your reel. You got yours reel, you got one reel. The reel.
I got one, yeah.
Hold the rod up. There you go. That got it?
Yeah. Still filmed. Probably suckerfish though.
They break the ice. They feel heavy.
Medium.
Maybe it's a jack salmon, maybe it's a junkfish.
Junkfish.
Well, you might got a good one. Let's see.
I'm not getting
No, it's a good.
I'm not getting any hopes up.
Jack salmon. We
Net.
got our first fish. No! That was salmon right there. Jack salmon. That was our first one. We're getting closer.
Gotta get the head out. Is that a cool thing to bring on the boat?
The only thing guides have a superstition against is bananas.
Bananas. Different
Half
cultures.
of them, some people don't.
Rabbit foot.
I'm kind of superstitious. I mean, if I catch fish, I'll wear the same hat or rod, stuff like that. You know?
Yeah.
Drop it down right there, Stanley. You should be at the same depth as the depth is the key. The depth down, that's the key.
In our culture, which is like Eastern European, it's fish. If you bring like fish on the boat, like a fish tuna sandwich or jerky, you know.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's like fish like knows you already have fish, so why the heck did you come to get more? You're being greedy.
Yeah. Sometimes the Indians think like the crows and the turkey vultures or ravens will kind of guide you to the deer and the elk or tell you where the fish are because they want the gut pile.
Ah, that's interesting
There
too.
you go. Actually, let's use the same rod because you got a good depth on this. Let me just put a good bait on it for you real quick. Okay.
Yeah, whatever you did, baby, worked. Whatever you just added.
You ready in there, Stanley? It's the spot.
Peru.
Kind of, they're down there. Those are down there pretty far though, see?
Look like sugar powder to me. Or maybe is it cocaine or is it coke?
Oh, it's sodium sulfide. Sodium sulfide and borax and white sugar. Lamola powder.
Didn't get that bite on tape, but this is Stanley's fish.
When he sees a net in the boat, he's going to run and get in. See how big it is. Jack salmon. away from the boat. Use your rod. Yeah. Reel down to your bobber. So lift up to the sky towards me. Lift up to the sky.
Got him.
Nice little jack.
Mr. Jack, you're not gonna reproduce.
Let's keep
Yeah.
Yeah, let's keep him.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Some
fry
flat.
him.
Give him some flat.
I'll put on a.
He's gonna be good eating.
So this is probably the end of our day here, and we ended up catching one wild, which we didn't measure. It could have been a jack. Long day, long day, long day.
It's gotta be a nice trophy.
End of our journey here, coming up to Lewis Park Park.
Cottonville Bridge, Lewis Park Park, right below.
Stanley did good. He caught one. I caught one wild one, and it was barely hooked by skin on the cheek. Barely, but we made it. We landed it, and we let it go. It was a wild one. That's it. We're all done. Very successful, fun day. Here's the approaching some rapids. Kind of going sideways, trying to aim for this opening here skillfully, just like that. Any luck today?
Good looking spinner.
Good luck.
Seen very many rolling around yet, or? Right on. Good luck to you, man.
People are fishing off the bank. Good luck to them.
Spinner, spinner, winner's a winner.
Is this where we fished for those smell right there on the ball?